Description of my best friend. My best friend name is Sarah. She is 26 years old. She lives in Team Summit, same born code as me. She is tall with brown eyes, white, long white hair. She really likes to go out dancing, go out to park, play basketball, have meeting at home, white clothes, friends, go for a walk in to Paul. She is very kids. She always likes to help others or situations. Thanks are easy. Wake up. Always good to her. He was very good at this and is a wise cherry. Who think and think. Way helping. El has no headings and looks as it is for our own good. Emily confirms her love has and his favorite cake is the chocolate. On apart from basketball, hall soccer, he really likes to play. In the rains when he is happy. His favorite subject is math. He is very good at it. She is my best friend. Thank you.